Hi guys, welcome to my vacation essentials. I'm going to show you how to get the perfect, easy, quick, and most minimal makeup look that is going to have you looking stunning, glowy, all vacation long. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep watching. So jumping right into makeup, I'm going to keep it simple, quick, easy, and beginner friendly. I'm going to go right in with my favorite primer. This is the Milk Makeup Cloud Glow Primer. This is going to make sure your skin is glowy, bright, vibrant, all the things you want for your vacation makeup look. So let's go in with primer. I also love that this is like a foam texture. Like, this is so fun, so cool. So I just go in with this on the skin and it smells amazing, like coconuts. Now that the skin is all prepped and primed and fresh and glowy, it is time to move on to my favorite step of this makeup look: blush. This is the Morphe Euphoric Rush 3-in-1 Silk Blush in the shade Hypnotize. Vacation makeup was a blush, it would be this one. So let me show you how I like to use it. I just go in with a little brush directly in the pot and pop some onto the high points of my face and my nose to give us like that sun-kissed, sunburnt look, and it just melts into the skin. And I love that this blush just looks so glowy and dewy on the skin, and it's super pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. And again, I bring it down my nose because I feel like it goes into that summer vacation makeup look, kind of sunburnt, but it looks cute. So some on the nose. You can also use your fingers to apply this blush, so it's super perfect for vacation because it's quick and easy and doesn't require a lot of tools. That is why it is one of my essentials for this makeup look. So whatever is left, I will just take on the chin. I feel like it just ties the whole makeup look together. Okay, so to add a little bit more glow and a little bit more oomph to this makeup look, I'm going to go in with the Milk Makeup Highlighter Stick in the shade Lit. And this is by far the most cutest, tiniest little highlighter, which is perfect for if you're traveling because it doesn't take up a lot of space, but you can use it in multiple ways, and I'm going to show you how. So first, I'm going to obviously go on the high points of my face, on my cheeks, nose, brow bone. I'll also drag this along the eyes. I feel like it'll just brighten up the whole look, and we are going to use my fingers to blend this out because it is so quick and so easy, but it gives you the most beautiful sheen, and it's not sparkly, which I love because it makes the skin kind of look dewy and wet versus sparkly and chunky on the cheeks. And blend this in with my finger. So I'm just going to blend that on the eyes. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Also just blend that onto the nose as well. Okay, so one more thing that I have to have when I'm going on vacation, when I'm traveling, is a flat iron. Preferably one like the Foxy Bae flat iron because it is super sleek and slender and it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it also has that rounded edge, so I can do curls with this flat iron, I can straighten my hair, or if I just want to change my look depending on how I feel. If we're going to dinner and I want to spice it up, I'll have the option. I cannot live without having a versatile flat iron in my essentials when I travel. Okay, so I went ahead and popped on some mascara and a little gloss to tie the makeup look together, but no makeup look is complete in my opinion without a signature fragrance. Especially on vacation, you need a signature scent, and this is the Commodity Book fragrance, and it smells absolutely divine. It is earthy, it is citrusy, it is like warm and fresh, and it smells like you should be laying on a beach getting a tan is what this smells like. And also it is a travel size, so it's not going to take up a lot of space, and it's going to be able to fit into your bag perfectly. I feel like this scent just kind of reminds me of a summer vacation, and that is why it is one of my staples in my packing for vacation essentials. Trust me, you are not going to want to leave this fragrance behind. And that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!